come from Clare today, and I am glad of it. Carty did not treat him as decent as he promised it. Maar de wieg sé mochas dénoch, gerucht na sjaske hus, de heinge der verne, se jege va go vaske der snach, me vi gomoraloch, nor han sé vallechoin. And if you were to see him, 'twas really astonishing how in little time a sheepdog without feeding would be vanishing. Be slow or inch choder, na rev dotit na laghe, gan castus en near goder, na orloch de laghe snach me vi gomoraloch, nor han sé vallechoin. And he was so very lonesome, his throat got sore with sadness. One morning ere they walked, shut his chain he broke with madness. The jaar sé tries na conger, le brotuch de gnatach sé, die glaunte vis die vorchnik. Bogolat na statach sé snach me vi gomoraloch, nor han sé vallechoin. And his adventures while out there, they will yet go down in history. And how he got away, it will always be a mystery. Vi bekach dar van in panchoch, nor a jarkig shen shekkedur. Daar dig was a valigus, askabraka knickinur snach, me vi gomoraloch, nor han sé valchon. And those black and barren ranges of Clare, they are horrible, a vast 3,000 acres, with scarce an acre arable. Ní launach at an gaelach, frech agus partahis, da mefa mahoun denach, o velach dot ve gortahis, snach me vi gomoraloch, nor han sé vallechoin.
And